Good day, viewers, and welcome to Physics and Mathematics lovers. Today, I shall be taking you on mathematics with some mathematical manipulation. You know why we need to do this? There are some things that sometimes we find difficult to compute in mathematics. But before we do so, do not forget to like this page and subscribe. If you have any question you want us to solve, please write down in the comment section. The first one we have here is 1000 minus 275. It will be very difficult for somebody to do this, especially children. What do? We have to make sure that we make it easy for us to understand. How do we do so? Just come down to this place, right? 1000 minus 1. Also remove that same one from the down. Become 275 minus 1. At the end of the day, if I remove 1 from inside 1000, I am going to have 999. Now, if I remove 1 from 275, I am going to have 274. So here, I can easily subtract. I will then say 9 minus 4 gives you 5. 9 minus 7 gives you what? 2. 9 minus 2 gives you 7. This is your answer. That is for that, for subtraction, especially when we have 1000 or digit that end with 0 zeros. Let's go to number 2. I want to divide 36 by what? 5. It will be very difficult, especially for people who don't actually know how to divide. How do I do that? I should look for a way to make this 5 to become 10, either 10 or 100, so that it will be very easy for me to divide. What should I do? I will look for a factor that I can multiply 5 with. I will also use it to multiply 36. So what can multiply 5 to make it 10 is 2. So I will bring it 36 times 2 all over 5 times what? 2. It will give me 36 times 2 gives me what? 2. 6, that's 7 all over 5 times 2 gives you what? 10. Now, when you are dividing in mathematics, you are moving like this, especially when we have denominator as 10 or 100. So one of the 0 is here, then you move, you only move once, which will give you what? 7.2. That is the answer. So when you divide 36 by 5, it will give you 7.2. The next one we are going to look at, this is finding the percentage of numbers, especially when the digits end with 00. What we should do, you don't need to worry yourself. You know, the normal method, some people will go and say 40 over 100 times 70. At the end of the day, you begin to do that. No, what you should just do, don't just worry yourself. As it is written like this, it's like this, 40% of 70. What you should do, just cancel out the zeros. The 0 and 0 cancels out. Both of them cancel out. What remains is 4 and 7. 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. So 40% of 70 is what? 28. So you don't need to waste your time and begin to look for the other long method. Thank you so much. Do not forget to share this video and always comment and also subscribe. God bless you.